Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Denise, and today I'm going to be tackling a problem that was always very mysterious to me how to take care of it, and that is I'm going to be cleaning my Ralph Lauren 1990s coated canvas shoulder bag. It has some paint scuffs on it, and it was something that really intimidated me for a long time, but I think I have figured it out. So if you've ever had a scuffed up bag or any kind of markings on any of your designer bags, we're probably in the same boat. I think I found out a solution. All right, so you can see that I have more than just my Ralph Lauren 90s bag, my tartan bag. I also have three Gucci's. I have two monogram Gucci's, I have an Ophidia, and then I have a Coach City bag, which is leather. Now, I sourced all of these bags from a single seller earlier this year. She was a former Ralph Lauren employee from the 80s and 90s. She was selling her New Jersey home and moving to Florida to be with her new boyfriend. Now, I paid $20 for each of these bags, and you can find them for sale on my website, and I will leave a link below in the description. Many high-end designer bags, like the Gucci's and then, of course, this Ralph Lauren, are made of something called coated canvas. And that is for the major body of the bag. It might be trimmed out with leather, but it's not leather. It's actually a coated canvas. And in order to clean this, we need to know what coated canvas is. Coated canvas starts with a durable fabric base. Often it's cotton or polyester. It's not what we think of canvas. It's a much more durable. And then it is treated with a layer of PVC or polyurethane, not uncommon to what you put on your hardwood floors. This coating makes it water resistant, scratch resistant, and super easy to maintain, which is why so many luxury brands like Gucci and also like Ralph Lauren use this coated canvas. Take a close look at the tartan print. Classic design, right? Now, the print is printed on, or the design is printed onto the fabric, and then it is probably sprayed or dipped with the polyurethane as a protective coating, which is why it can handle a bit of wear and tear. But like any designer handbag, it can get some big scuffs, and in this case, I'm pretty sure this is paint. Now, I did a lot of research and really went down a couple of rat holes before just sort of kind of going out on my own and just saying, okay, I'm just going to, number one, research what the coating is, and then also use my own common sense. So, for example, I saw that there's a thing on the internet that says to use magic eraser, and I wouldn't use magic eraser. That's me. It might have worked for you, but I personally wouldn't use it. This is what I chose not to use: bleach or ammonia, any alcohol-based cleaners like Lysol, acetone or nail polish remover, and anything abrasive like a magic eraser. These are the cleaning supplies that I decided to use. They were right around the house. I didn't have to buy anything special. So start with Dawn dishwashing liquid and dilute that in some nice warm water. Also a microfiber cloth, and then get out several Q-tips. And that's it. All right, so let's get started. I'll show you the scuff marks one more time. I think you can see them pretty well there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6. Okay, so microfiber towel, my Dawn dish soap that isn't too strong, 2 Q-tips, and then I also have my magnifying glass. And actually, I'm really grateful for that. So let's get started. We'll start right down here. I couldn't choose anything that was inconspicuous because there's nothing inconspicuous here. So, okay, here it is. Okay. Now I'm just going very gently. I'm going pretty gently on this. Doing a good job. I don't want to apply too much pressure. Pretty close to my fingers. And that does not want to come off. All right, so see how that's working. So we're going to come over here. Oh, well, I think it's starting to loosen it up, but it is lifting. Oh, stubborn little dog. Okay. And I'm putting some force on this, but not much. Nothing that I think could hurt it. Okay, there's a few specks left. Oh, where is it? There it is. I want to get that one. Okay, and I'm just going to wipe this off now. And there I can see are just 2 specks. So let's give it a try. There's a speck there. All right, that just went. And there's a speck there that's giving me a little bit more trouble. And there it goes. Okay. All right. So stain number 1 it appears to be done. Yeah, right there. All right. Let's see. That worked out there. Great. All right. And that ended up working out so well. And I just used household things that I had around the house. I used Dawn dish soap, some warm water, some Q-tips, and then I had a chamois cloth or a microfiber cloth so I could wipe it down. And you saw me use the magnifying glass because in this case it was really kind of hard to tell. But the results of this are just amazing. So what used to be, I thought, very intimidating has turned out not to be that intimidating at all. And so the bag is clean. In terms of value, I don't know, maybe even a couple hundred or $300 in value added to this. Other than that, it was in perfect condition. So this is really great how this worked out. Let me know in the comments below if this ends up working out for you too. I hope you give it a try. I'd really love to hear from you because it's very difficult to get any good information on cleaning these bags. All right, that's it for now. If you consider subscribing, liking, or commenting, I truly would appreciate it. Going.